Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how you can book two different rooms on Agoda. So make sure to watch this video till the end and you will be able to do it. Now on this section you can just go to hotels and select overnight stays or day stays. That is your choice, whatever you want to select. You can just select it and after that make sure to choose your city as well. And once you have chosen the city, let me just enter this city and they will ask you to like basically enter the date. Now let's say I want to like set it to 22 to 23. Select it on calendar 23 to 24 or 23 or 24. You can just read these details and how many adults. So like you can just select it, and once selected just click on search button. And once you click on search button, so you will basically see the list of all the options or all the hotels available for you. You can just book whatever you want to book. You can see the price as well. Now that is a simple. Let's say I want to go with this one. You can just click on this one, and once you have chosen this one, just scroll down, and at the end you can see an option called book now. So you can select it and view this deals as well, view this deal. Just click on it, and after that you will be able to book. Like as you can read, breakfast include all the benefits. Now once 23 and 24 date is done, you can just select go back to the Agoda homepage, and from the hotels you can just remove the hotel from this section, enter the city, and let's say I want to now go from 24 to 25. Just make sure to enter the next state, select the adults, click on search, and once you click on search, you will basically see the list of all the hotels. Now let's say this was the hotel that we chose last time. You can just select the second one, just click on it, and after that you can just simply book it inside this option. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can book two different rooms inside the Agoda. Now, if you're facing any kind of problem, like you want to book two different rooms for same day, you can just click their contact support as well, and they might be able to help you. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.